Hey, my name is Patrick Jackson, and here's my Audio Income Academy 2.0 success story. Let me start out by thanking the twins for creating such an awesome course. Hopefully the story of my journey will inspire others to have the same or even greater success. I started my first online business in 2004. That's when I turned my hobby, which is learning foreign languages, and started an online business with the help of some Spanish instructors who I hired from Craigslist. I created downloadable MP3s and CDs and sold the products from my website and sometimes from Amazon. It was much easier back then since there wasn't as much competition online. In my first year, I made just over $250,000. And then in 2008, I pursued my dream of living a life of an expat, and I moved from my home in New York City to Medellin, Colombia. When I first moved to Colombia in 2008, I rented a fully furnished duplex penthouse in one of the best neighborhoods of Medellin. But each year, as more and more people came online, starting businesses, it became harder and harder to make a living. By 2016, life had gotten so hard for me and my business that I had to move my home from one of the better neighborhoods of Medellin and live in a hood. To my knowledge, I was the only American living in the whole neighborhood. By then, I couldn't afford to live anywhere else in Colombia but the hood. And the only thing I could afford to eat was rice and beans, eggs, and avocados. I went from making $250,000 in 2004 to making about $500 a month in 2016. Things were so bad for me that from 2016 to 2018, I couldn't even afford to purchase a plane ticket to fly to the States to see my family and friends. I had known about Audible for many years, and then in 2016, I decided I had nothing to lose. So I took the MP3 courses I was selling on my website and started selling them on Audible. But nothing changed. Instead of making $500 a month from my website, I was now making $500 a month from Audible. And then in the spring of 2018, I discovered the twins on YouTube. And within a year, I went from earning $500 a month to my best month ever on ACX. $91,731.22. Not only did I make enough money to finally buy a first-class plane ticket to fly to the States to visit my family and friends, but in 2019, I took my dream vacation to Asia and visited 4 different countries, including Thailand, Vietnam, Cambodia, and Indonesia. And I no longer live in a hood in Medellin. Once again, I'm living in a penthouse in one of the best neighborhoods. So in closing, I just want to say, if you believe in yourself and you truly believe in the system, Audio Income Academy 2.0, and you're determined enough to put in the effort, this system can change your life and your lifestyle. Thanks again to the twins, and thanks to the AIA 2.0 Facebook group.